Solving a Rubik's Cube can be a daunting challenge. It is worth investing the time and effort needed to master this classic puzzle. The first step in solving a Rubik's Cube is to familiarize yourself with the 6 sides of the cube and its various color combinations. Next, the objective is to match the sides of the cube together in a uniform, crisscross pattern. This will create one solved side. After you have achieved the task of one side, you must then begin to match up the other sides of the cube. It is important to be mindful of your movements and the order in which they happen. This will help you keep track of which color is where and to avoid making mistakes. To set up the remaining sides, aim to match up all corners of the cube and work your way to the center pieces. Avoid turning the bottom layer unless absolutely necessary, as this will reset your progress. Utilize the 4 main algorithms while progressing: the front cross algorithm, middle layer algorithm, second layer algorithm and third layer algorithm. Practicing the foundational algorithms, repeating until they become second nature, will simplify the whole process. The key is to break down the process into more manageable, smaller pieces. Focus on solving the cube one side at a time, being sure to double-check your progress along the way. Jumbling the cube is a helpful way to practice speed and accuracy. Utilize algorithms that suit your style of solving. Everyone has their own set of techniques that are most comfortable to use. Remember to remain patient and don't give up. With time and effort, this puzzle can be conquered. Improve your speed by experimenting with several different manipulation methods. Concentrate on not overturning any unsolved sections as you attempt to match the pieces one side at a time. Memorize the algorithms and visual cues associated with the cube and its movements. Try to solve the entire cube in your head or close your eyes while completing the mechanics of the puzzle. Utilize logical reasoning as often as you can. Not all pieces need to be manipulated with algorithms. Take the time to understand the flow of the rotations, which can speed up and improve accuracy. Once the 4th side is complete, you will need to finish the top of the cube. If needed, it is okay to look up helpful tips or utilize video demonstrations during your process. When attempting to finish the remaining pieces on the top of the cube, focus on one piece at a time. Use the edges of the cube to guide you in placing the red centers. Solving the cube is not a quick process, it benefits from patience and practice.